We're on the ice again. We're Shifty Outdoors, and I've got Sean McClellan, and look at him. He's cheating. He's already down because he sees fish on the screen. So before this intro's over, I'm guessing he's going to have a fish. So
sure.
Pressure on. But we're on Huntington Reservoir again. Very selective ice this year. And we tried this last week. We weren't very successful at all. Some guys had quite a good day. We came back. We're going to try to, I don't know, I guess we're just going to do our best, see if we can catch some fish. We're glad you're with us. You dick. Oh, that's a big fish.
That's a big one.
Why would you do that already?
I don't know, but... Man down! Man down! Why would you do that?
Screw everything
Why
up.
would you do that?
Man, you're an idiot.
I catch a fish and you knock everything down. God, he's a good one.
He's big, too.
Are you going to cook these ones for me?
Yeah. We'll smoke. We'll take 2 of them home to smoke. Let's throw it out and smoke it.
Should I throw it over by the four-wheeler?
We didn't bring a 4-wheeler here. We walked. We're men. No, we're not.
I don't know why you lie. Nobody's going to believe you anyway.
Nope, you're absolutely right.
Got him.
Man, you're on fire today, pal.
You get the baby.
Don't you worry about the shower.
Hey! It's a tiger! I'm going to tell you what I caught this one on. Bill's Base tungsten with a Brennan's Fireball.
Is that Fireball?
Yeah, dude. Hottest thing on the lake. If you need one, I can share it.
Shout out to Larson's Ace Hardware in Richfield. That's where his baits came from.
Yep. Hottest thing on the lake. She's standing in her underwear. Oh. We're coming soon. Oh, hell yeah!
Look at him. He just hit me again.
Get him.
Must be a small one.
Took you long enough.
Well, I had to play him and...
Ooh, nice. Whoa.
From one hole to the other.
They don't recommend that.
Now you tell me. You always tell me things as we go.
It's dirty, one hole to another. That's a good fish, isn't it?
It's a rainbow tiger.
It is. Huh, it's a tiger bow.
Tiger bow. Here's color though. He's got a lot of orange on this one.
You got a fish! Congratulations!
Here it goes.
Caught a fish. Dude, I'm so proud of you. That's a big fish for you.
Any fish is a big fish
wow. For me. Dude, I'm going to put you on the board because I'm impressed.
Impressed or shocked?
Impressively shocked.
Nice looking tiger. Oh, that was the dumbest hook set.
Took you long enough.
Well, I'll tell you what, by the ramps there's fish here. We're outside the ramp now.
Keep your frickin' fish over there. You see how you are? You've really outdone yourself today.
You mean this season?
You've doubled yourself.
Just having a little bit of a hot dog lunch today. These Big Buddy heaters sure come in handy.
We're gonna eat those. They're gonna be kind of hot.
You're kind of hot.
Thanks for cooking, Shitty.
Shifty.
Shifty. You do that? You didn't even ask me if I wanted to catch him.
Uh-oh, he's running me. Oh, shoot, right there at the hole.
Hey, what you doing over there?